Here in this video, we are solving a NEET 2025 question from the atoms. The question is like this. A particle of mass m moving around the origin with a constant force pulling towards the origin. It means to say there is a centripetal force acting towards the center. We know centripetal force is always constant, that is mv square by r. It means to say as mass is constant, v square by r is constant. That implies v square is directly proportional to r, or v is directly proportional to square root of r. That's the first conclusion that we can get from there. Further, it is given that if the Bohr model is used to describe the motion, the radius of the nth orbit and the particle speed depends on what way. So he is further saying that Bohr's atomic model is valid. So when a charged particle is moving in a circular path according to Bohr's atomic model, it will have a constant angular momentum L, that is mvr, that is equal to nh by 2 pi, where n is the principal quantum number or the number of the orbit, h is the Planck's constant. So from here we can say again v equal to nh by 2 pi and mr. Here in our case, what Planck's constant is a constant, 2 pi is a constant, m is also constant. So we can say v is directly proportional to n by r. That's the second understanding that we can get basing on the statement given for you in the problem, right? So from equation number 1, we got r power half is directly proportional to v. But we got further v is directly proportional to n by r. Get this r this side. R power half and r is directly proportional to n. R power 1 plus 1 by 2, r power 3 by 2 is whole power n. So, but we want in the other relation, therefore let us reverse that. R power 3 by 2 whole power of 2 by 3 is directly proportional to n power of 2 by 3. I am just making a power of 2 by 3 on both sides of the equation, right? So, these 2 by 3s and 2 by 3s will get cancelled. R is directly proportional to n power 2 by 3 is the relation, right? So, R is directly proportional to n power 2 by 3. Of course, we have only one option. Other options are wrong. So, I need not solve the problem further. But anyway, I will further solve and give some kind of clarity that what he is further saying. We want further relation with V. But from equation number 2, V is directly proportional to n by r. But r is directly proportional to n power 2 by 3. So, V is directly proportional to L power 1 minus 2 by 3. That is, V is directly proportional to n power of 1 by 3. So, that's the answer for the problem. Option number 4 is the answer for the problem. So, if you notice, we have to understand that to solve this, we need to know only one small concept of angular momentum of a charged particle moving in a circular orbit, L equal to mvr equal to nh by 2 pi. Of course, centripetal force is a standard formula that we already know. That's it, and thank you for watching.